What's up guys, Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this 2024 Transit. This thing is basically brand new. A client of ours brought it to us for a ton of updates. I'll go over what we're gonna do. So first, we'll take a look at this radio. You can see this thing is absolutely atrocious. Small 3.5, 4-inch screen, no CarPlay, basic functionality, and on top of everything else, really hard to see what you got going on. So what's interesting about this vehicle, we're gonna be removing this radio. You can see it's a really goofy shape. There is no support for a true double din radio for this vehicle. Our client wants a tablet, but the tablet style he wants is a Kenwood, which the back of the radio has a full-size double din chassis. Everything online, there's no support there. It won't physically fit. We're going to be able to modify this to actually get this radio in here. So it's going to take a lot of work, a lot of precision, but we'll be able to handle it. From there, we're going to be doing WeatherTech floor mats. We're a diamond dealer for them, so we're going to be able to install nice laser measured custom fit floor mats to keep the inside of the vehicle nice and clean. And then lastly, we're going to be able to tint the front windows. So we're going to do a nice 20% film, so it'll be dark but not too dark, so it'll keep sun and heat off the driver and passenger. So this thing's going to be really nice when we're all done. Lastly, we're actually going to be able to retain the factory camera as well, along with the steering wheel controls. So a big part of our business is working on vans, trucks for guys that have small businesses. You know, you can see right here this Ford F-150 that's getting a radio. We got that utility body truck in the back that's actually getting a full system, believe it or not, along with a camera. So if you guys need anything like this, please give us a call, 610-328-0301, and stay tuned for the finished product of the Transit. Thank you guys.